At 10 tonight, there's been 40 road rage incidents since the new law enhancing penalties went into effect in July. That's according to UHP.
That number includes a deadly incident just Monday morning where 50-year-old Jose Ramirez was shot and killed. The suspect, Thomas Long, claiming self-defense. Well, tonight, David Ochoa looked at a previous road rage incident where another man claimed the same thing, self-defense, and the case was dismissed. David, is there a chance this could happen in this case?
Yeah, there's a chance, but there's a lot of things that go into these things, like the facts and, of course, who the judge is. But I talked to a former prosecutor who told me that the legislature could actually look at the statute that allowed the judge in this previous case in 2021 to actually dismiss that case. We've seen how road rage can affect lives. On Thursday, the family of the victim in the recent Jordanelle incident spoke about how they feel.
I'm devastated, I'm numb, I can't think straight.
On Monday morning, a road rage incident between Jose Ramirez and Thomas Long resulted in Ramirez being shot to death. Long claims he was defending himself after he saw Ramirez pulling something from his waistband. It's not the first time someone has claimed self-defense in a road rage incident.
It's a very interesting ruling there.
Former prosecutor Nathan Evershed is referring to a 2021 road rage incident in which shots were fired, but was thrown out by a judge in a justification hearing, which was put in place by the legislature in 2021 for self-defense cases.
Which means beyond a preliminary hearing, a defendant can utilize the court to evaluate whether the state has the evidence to prove that his force was not justified.
Which is what the judge found in the 2021 case. But the judge said this statute for self-defense in the case of road rage where shots are fired and there's no attempt to get away from the situation is, quote, something the state legislature may wish to reconsider. Evershed says there's a few carve-outs for the law, such as Class B and C misdemeanors and domestic violence. He says he wouldn't be surprised if the legislature includes road rage as one of those carve-outs.
I don't know if their intent was for this to be expanded to road rage incidents. Those might just be handled by juries rather than by judges at a justification hearing.
Evershed says that the defense in Monday's case, the suspect Long, will use this justification hearing in his case. And he says it depends on what the facts are and who the judge is, and we'll see what the judge might rule. Reporting live, David Ochoa, KUTV 2 News.